The Art of Card Divination, the book that knows which card you're thinking of. The magician says he has a special book, The Art of Card Divination. The magician asks a spectator to think of an invisible deck of cards and mentally choose a card from among the face cards and the numbers. The magician says that the card the spectator is thinking of is written in the book. He opens the book and reads the pages. The magician asks the spectator, "What card are you thinking of?" The spectator says, "A queen." On the next page, surprisingly, the book says, "You chose a queen." The magician asks, "And what suit is it?" The spectator says, "It's the club suit." Incredibly, on the next page, the book says, "And it's clubs." Thank you. Available in 2 versions, in English and customizable for any language. Using a marker, you can write the pages of the book in the language of your choice. The Art of Card Divination.